Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can find the color pixel in CapCut PC, and here you can select back, video back. On trading you can find the color pixel, but you can see for the page this is perfect and you have to subscribe the perfect. Sorry, you have to join Pro first to be able to use this effect. Alright, so for example, and go to pack, select color pixel, and you can see for the final result. Alright, so basically, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.